Okay, this is our lean-to. Absolutely knackered from a storm I've never seen the like of. See, it smashed the roof to pieces, resulting in, well, you can see, completely destroyed. Everything's soaking wet. The settee, telly's knackered. Absolutely knackered. And it's still raining. You see it's raining now, coming through the roof again. Just completely destroyed the lean-to. Icicles or hailstones the side of golf balls, quite literally. In fact, it probably didn't do it justice. They're big as my fist. Just unbelievable. Never seen anything like it. See all the damage on there, on the shelves. All Harry's trophies are completely destroyed.